Hello guys, today we are going to learn with you how to make this transcript count assignment. And first we open this assignment, and as you see there appears on table. That's really hard to understand what's going on here. Don't think so much, just copy it all, select it and copy. Create a new sheet by using these 9 dots and go to Google Sheets. Then when you create it, you have to paste everything you have copied before. Now it's much more better, but still hard to understand what's going on. That's why we are copying it again. Copy. And here it's very important, guys. Please press on this plus. Add a new sheet to your document. As you see, we have the first sheet. Now it's the second sheet. In the second sheet, I want you to make it paste spatial transposed. If it doesn't appear, please copy from the first page your table again. This transpose can be done only if inside one document. Okay, I have it. So now, as you see, some of the text doesn't fit, some of them take much space than they need. That's why let's select them all from the tabs. We are selecting our columns and double click on their border. It means it will resize your table so text will fit in. Now, here you see we have some reading, we have some text that can help us. Now let's resize it so it will be clear to see. Firstly, we need to find a weight of every lesson, every mark. For example, it says that for the gray one, we have to multiply yellow by blue. Then I say equal sign and select this one will be multiplied. It's shift 8, yes, by this one. So C2 multiplied by D2. I say, okay. And he says, do you want me autofill? If you say, okay, it will be right. If it's not, then you can autofill it yourself. Just take this blue circle and drag it down. For the next one, it's working by using if formula. For the if formula, we need here to write if, and then select the grade, okay? If the grade, and we are going to see, is it going to be A, B, or C, okay? Now let me resize it so we will see the grades. So for if, let's go. If this yellow one, okay, in parentheses, is greater than, if it's greater than 84, then it's going to be A, yes? If it's greater than 84, then it's going to be A. Otherwise, I say if, no, then he will say, if it's greater than 69, if this one selected, just if D2 is greater than 69, it's going to be B. Otherwise, he goes to new if. If this one is greater than 54, yes, if it's greater than 54, it's going to be C. And the last one, if this one is greater than 49, then it's going to be D. So if it's not D, then it means it's going to be F, yes? So we can see the grade of the one person. If you have any problem, please change your commas to semicolons, okay? Точка, запятой. So next, in points. In points means this one. If to get 4, it should be in 4 points. Then, as you remember from percentage, we do it like this. Equal sign, this grade is multiplied by 4 and divided by 100. and we converted from 100 systems to 4-point system. So next, traditional one. It's the same with this one, but instead of the letters, there will be words. I copy the formula, okay, copy the formula. Now I go here and make here paste. Now I say, instead of A, I want to see here excellent. Instead of B, I want to see here good, yes? You can see here, A is excellent, B is good, C and D are satisfactory. Instead of C, there will be satisfactory. And instead of D, it's going to be also satisfactory. And instead of F, it's going to be unsatisfactory. So, okay, we see here the grades. Next step, we are going down. And let me copy it down so it will be clearly easy to see. So, for total credits, he say, you have to take sum of credits of one semester, okay? To make a sum, we have the function sum. I say here sum, and inside of parentheses, I open parentheses and then select all credits. Then all credits are 37. He says, do you want autofill? I say no. Next, for SA, you need sum of weight. This one is a weight, so sum of weight divided by credits, this one, and divided by credits. Okay, we have that SA is 57. It means students get students average or something like this according to credits is 57. So SPA means in the point systems, semester average in point system. So I say here a ticket, okay, SA will be multiplied by 4 and divided to 100. So this is his GPA from this semester, okay, SPA. Next, maximum. It's very easy. We are saying here, maximum among these numbers is 100. Okay, the minimum, if I say the minimum among these numbers is 0. The average is written average. Average among these numbers is, okay, that's what's the reason. Average and SA are different a bit because this average will change according to its credits. For example, these credits will take something like these 3 lessons, okay? So next, how to count the excellent? I have to say equal to count if among these numbers, among these ones, we have excellent. Okay, he says only 2 excellent. Is it right? 1 excellent and 2 excellent. Yes, right. Then for the second one, you can just copy the formula, paste it, and instead of, oh, the formula changed. Yes, it should be 2 and 15. Okay, it should be good. Okay, we have, okay, next, let's copy it. And the last 2, this one is going to be from 2 to 15, yes, and it should be satisfactory and unsatisfactory. Okay, that's all. We have finished with you how to count the, is it really 6 satisfactory? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, it's right. And for the last one, we say here, not good. It should be unsatisfactory. And instead of this part, I have to select this ones. Okay. So that's all. That's what you are going to do. And remember that when I will check it, I will press on it and look. Did you write the formula or just write the answers? Please use formulas.